Voerou Sleep Headphones Wireless Bluetooth Sleep Eye Mask Review. Is it the best Bluetooth sleeping eye mask? Watch this video to the end to find out. Voerou Bluetooth Sleep Eye Mask is designed to help with insomnia, relaxation, meditation and more. Air travel can be a breeze with this luxury relaxing sleep mask, allowing you to fall asleep fast, stay asleep and have a sweet dream. This product is for you if your bedroom can't completely be shaded by blackout curtains and you want to sleep in, if you can't sleep because your partner wants to read or watch TV on, if you want to sleep while traveling, on airplanes or in trains or long-time bus, if you are looking for perfect relaxation during yoga, wellness or meditation. The main benefit of this product is that it is really comfortable to use. This sleep headphones eye mask is made from velvet and elastic cotton, and provide a soft and comfortable feeling. The speakers are ultra thin. In fact, the thickness is only 1/3 of the average speaker, which is very comfortable for side sleepers. And you can adjust the sleep headphones to a most comfortable position. The wireless sleep headphones must have a desirable degree of noise cancelling, be it snoring, traveler's chat, especially in public transit, noisy neighbors, etc. The users appreciate that Voerou sleeping mask is simple to use, comfortable, and most people reported that this product is a great help against insomnia and for falling asleep in noisy environments. The pros of this product are: the eye mask fabric is soft and comfortable. It also blocks light well and it is a practical solution to fall asleep especially in noisy places. A huge benefit of this sleep mask is that the speakers are thin and they can be adjusted to the most comfortable position. A very good option for a side sleeper. The cons of this product are: some users reported that after using the product for a long period of time it became uncomfortable and some people had problems with the internal battery. In conclusion, a good sleeping mask which blocks the light well and make people fall asleep faster and sleep better. This video is made by Gadgets Club, the site that brings you the best gadgets and the best tech deals. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Check the links in the description to get the best Bluetooth sleep eye mask.